talking a lot about, homemade yogurt. So I have been asked, how do you usually do it? It's so easy. And also in front of me, I have a kombucha kit from Elixir.
I've heard of prebiotic, probiotic. What's postbiotic?
Well, it's interesting because, prebiotics are fiber-containing foods, or alternatively could be polyphenol-containing foods that help to support the living microorganisms such as the good bacteria like probiotics. Well, a lot of our favorite foods are actually fermented. That includes chocolate, tea, coffee. They are all fermented foods, and fermentation is a process that could actually help the food become easily digested. They always involve some kind of starter, and the starter could be ambient, it could be added. Now it's already cooled off. What I'm going to do is just to spoon a little bit of yogurt in there and then pour it into the container and just wait till tonight I will have yogurt.
Rub on my
I think
body.
I need some Greek yogurt as well.